Draw the border line at the edges of pattern paper. Draw the shoulder line of your shoulder measurement. So mine is lay down shoulder, so I draw down 4 cm from the shoulder line. For the body, we have to draw these steps. Shoulder, yeah, we done shoulder, and shoulder to waist for the back side. And for the bust line, we have to take the measurement from around armpit. In this step, we have to take a look what sleeve do you want. So I take +3 for my puff sleeve. Mark carefully your points. Don't miss any even 1 cm. Yeah, it was the bust line. So for the neck, so for the bust, draw the calculated measurements from your bust. And waist as well. Connect 2 of them bust to waist. And connect the shoulder and the point. And for the back width, we have to measure the length of the neck and the bust line. And take the half point. That half point is back width line. Mark the calculated measurements of your back weight. And connect the shoulder with your cuff. For your armhole, trace down 1 centimeter from your back width line. And connect the edge. And enter 1 centimeter to your waistline for the back dart. And connect the back width line. And take the length of your waist from the 1 centimeter point and divide it by 2. And mark the length of divided by 2. It was the back dart. This is the finishing of back side. I hope it will help you guys. So, for the front side is as well the back side. First, you have to take the shoulder point and draw down according to your shoulder. And be careful, the front side, always draw the opposite side of back side. The two patterns do not face in each other. So for the first, shoulder to waist, front side. And for the bust line, and mark the point of your bust. And for the waistline, mark your calculated waist measurement to your waistline. And connect the waist and the bust line from its point. And for the neck, the front side is a little bit longer than the back side, so be careful when you're drawing. For the front width line, you have to take the line between neck and bust line, just like back side. Mark the half point. It's your front width line. Make square to your bust line, just like the back side. And mark the front width measurement. So here we go. We got the front width. And connect the shoulder point. And I also connect the shoulder and the weight with the cuff. So for the armhole, just like the back side, half the length between the bust square and the width square. And place 90 degrees to your width square. And take the point of 45 degrees. And draw a line. And mark the half point to the line. And connect these 3 points for your armhole. So we got the perfect front side, but we still left the important dots. And you don't have to draw the lines like I drew. It is not necessary, it is just to show that the front side is longer than the back side. So we need to draw the dot. For the dot, we have to find the best point. You already have the best point measurement. I already posted from my past video about that measurement and calculating. So from the neck to the best point that you have, and from that point you have to measure your bust separation. Bust separation is divided by 2. And note the answer. You have to take from front side of your pattern to the bust point. It must have bust separation. Bust point, BP. And you have to take the dots and place the BP line in the middle and take it 5 cm to one side from the waistline. So for the another bust dot, straight out from the PP line and draw 3 cm below that line. And draw again 3 cm below that 3 cm line. So the total is 6 centimeters, and the above 3 cm line is not necessary for this pattern. We only take the under 3 cm line. So why we draw 3 cm? Because the front side is longer than the back side, and this 3 cm is a longer distance. Everyone is different. It will 3 cm or it won't be 3 cm. Whatever, you should measure again. We only take the under 3 cm line. So here we go. We got the pattern. For the next shape, you can design anything like that you want. So have a good day and see you in my next video. I will post how to cut the pattern in next week. And if you like my video, just subscribe my channel and like my video. And thank you for watching the end.